Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your files from OneDrive to Google Drive, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive's website. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Locate the files or folders you want to transfer to Google Drive. Select the files or folders by clicking on the checkboxes next to them. Once selected, click the download option. Choose a destination on your computer to save the download. Wait for the download to complete before proceeding. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Drive's website. Log in with your Google account credentials. Once logged in, click the plus new button located on the left side of the screen. Select File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what you are transferring. Navigate to the location on your computer where you saved the downloaded files. Select the files or folder you wish to upload to Google Drive. Click Open to start the upload process. Monitor the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. After the upload is complete, confirm that all files have been transferred successfully. You can now organize your files in Google Drive as needed. Consider sharing or adjusting the permissions for your uploaded files. Your files are now safely stored in Google Drive and accessible from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.